Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our series of solving problems for pre-RMO, in chapter polynomial I'll be going to take the 7th question written on the screen, and the question is like quite down the side, like it is quite easy, okay? And the theory for this question I have already taught it to you in the second question of polynomial, where I discussed about x to the power n minus y to the power n type of factorization, where n belongs to which type of number? Natural number. So we could write it like, let us suppose if it is x square minus y square, I would be getting x minus y over here, then x power 1 y power 0 plus x power 0 y power 1. Then if it is like x cube minus y cube, I'll be writing it like x minus y multiplied by x square y power 0 plus x power 1 y power 1 plus x power 0 y power 2. Now if it is like x power 4 minus y power 4, factorizing it I can write like x minus y multiplied by x cube y power 0 plus x power 2 y power 1 plus x power 1 y power 2 plus x power 0 y power 3. There is one more way to factorize it. X square minus y square I could write it, then x square plus y square I could write it, then x minus y multiplied by x plus y will be also the factor of this thing, multiplied by x square plus y square will be coming over here. Then the next thing can be written by me as x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5, that will be becoming x minus y multiplied by x to the power 4 y to the power 0 plus x to the power 3 y to the power 1 plus x to the power 2 y to the power 2 plus x to the power 1 y to the power 3 plus x to the power 0 y to the power 4. Hope you guys would have got my point. Now guys, the question statement which is written on the screen is of format x to the power 5 minus y to the power 5. And what is the value of x given to you? The x value over here is becoming 1, and the y value over here it is becoming x. So we have 1 minus x to the power 5 actually, okay, and that is what 1 minus x it will be multiplied by 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 4 only it will be going up to, okay. So which format I have applied over here? Guys, I have applied the last identities format which I have written over here. This format I have applied, okay. Hope you guys would have got my point. Keeping x is equal to 1 and y is equal to x. So guys, what is the value of this thing? 31 upon 32 is the value of this thing. So I'll be going to compute the value of x by making use of LHS. So 1 minus x to the power 5 is this, you are knowing. So 1 minus 31 by 32 will be becoming what? X to the power 5 over here. That means 32 minus 31 divided by 32 will be becoming what? X to the power 5 over here. That means what? 1 upon 32 is equal to x to the power 5 will be becoming. That means what? 1 upon 2 to the power 5 is equal to x to the power 5 will be becoming. That means what? 1 upon 2 is equal to x it will be becoming. As soon as I'll be going to get the value of x, I'll be going to compute the next thing written on the screen, and that is quite interesting, my dear students. The thing written over here is 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5. So most of you will start writing the value of x and will try to get the answer. That is not the correct way to solve this question. Actually, we know the expansion of x power 6 minus y power 6 can be written by me as x minus y multiplied by x to the power 5 y to the power 0 plus x to the power 4 y to the power 1 plus x to the power 3 y to the power 2, okay, plus x to the power 2 y to the power 3 plus x to the power 1 y to the power 4 plus x to the power 0 and y to the power 5 will be. Hope you guys would have got my point. So I'll be going to keep the value of x as 1 and value of y as x over here, okay. So that will be becoming what? I'll be going to get 1 minus x to the power 6 as 1 minus x times of x to the power, actually no, the value of x is 1 we are knowing. So we'll be going to get 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 over here. And guys, this value only has been asked to you. The value of this thing is only asked to you. So what it will be becoming? The value of this thing will be becoming 1 minus x power 6 divided by 1 minus x over here. So value of x we have already computed over here, that is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, it will be 1 minus 1 by 2 is what? 1 by 2 only. So in denominator will be going to get what? 1 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power 6 will become what? 1 minus 1 by 64, okay. So simplifying it further, I'll be going to get like 63 by 64 divided by 1 by 2, which will be generating 63 by 64 multiplied by 2 by 1, which will be generating 63 by 32. So guys, this will be the final answer for this question. The value of this will be becoming what? 63 by 32. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.